This is a national alert from the White House. Many reports have been reported about a fake version of the Xbox logo. The version is called Marvin Box. This Xbox version is hacking people's Xbox. The only way to avoid Marvin Box from hacking your Xbox is to lock your doors and windows, because Marvin Box will hack your Xbox if you don't. Please call 911 if you have any idea about how this happened. May God please help us all. This is an emergency alert system from the White House. A fake Xbox system called Marvin Box is hacking people's Xbox. To avoid getting hacked, make sure to lock all of your doors and windows. Do not get on your Xbox, because Marvin Box is wandering around, hacking people's Xbox and killing them. May God please help us all. This is a national emergency. It seems like a fake Xbox is hacking people's Xbox. Please lock all of your doors and windows. Do not turn on your Xbox. May God please help us all. But if you have any idea about how this can be stopped, call 911.